Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Today we're transforming a simple avocado into a creamy, healthy shake that boosts energy and nutrition. Blending success, the simple recipe for a perfect avocado shake. Making the perfect avocado shake is surprisingly simple. Your focus should be on using a ripe avocado because ripeness determines the final texture. A well-made shake should be incredibly smooth, almost like soft-serve ice cream. Gathering your essential ingredients. The classic avocado shake needs only a few ingredients. You likely already have most of them in your kitchen. Here is what you'll need for a delicious, basic shake. 1 ripe avocado. Choose one that yields slightly to gentle pressure. 1 cup of liquid. You can use dairy milk, almond milk, or oat milk. The type of milk you choose will impact the flavor and consistency. Oat milk often results in the creamiest texture. 1 to 2 teaspoons of natural sweetener. Options include honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar. Adjust the amount based on your preference. Handful of ice. This thickens the shake and makes it wonderfully cold. Step-by-step guide to creamy perfection. The secret to avoiding lumps and achieving that perfect velvety texture lies in the order you add the ingredients to your blender. Start with the soft ingredients and liquid. Add the avocado flesh, sweetener, and milk to the blender first. Blend until smooth. Pulse and blend until the mixture is fully emulsified. You shouldn't see any chunks of avocado remaining. This step is critical for ensuring a lump-free drink. Add the ice. Once the mixture is smooth, toss in the ice cubes. Blend again. Blend the mixture at high speed until the ice is completely crushed and incorporated. The shake should be thick and cold. Troubleshooting tip. If your shake is too thick, simply add a splash more milk and blend for a few more seconds. If it's too thin, add a few more ice cubes or freeze for a few minutes. Customize your blend. Easy mix-ins for flavor and protein. The basic avocado shake recipe is great, but its versatility truly shines when you start adding mix-ins. Customizing your blend is the best way to prevent flavor boredom and meet specific dietary needs, such as increasing your protein intake for muscle health. Protein power, adding muscle-building boosters. If you are using this shake as a post-workout recovery drink or a meal replacement, increasing the protein is essential. Here are a few ways to boost the protein content. Protein powder. Add 1 scoop of vanilla or unflavored protein powder. This enhances the protein content without significantly changing the texture. Greek yogurt. A half cup of Greek yogurt adds creaminess and about 10 to 15 grams of protein. Always use plain, unsweetened yogurt for better control over the final sugar content. Nut butter. A tablespoon of peanut, almond, or cashew butter provides protein and healthy fats, alongside a pleasant nutty flavor. Sweetening smarter, healthy sugar alternatives. Controlling the sugar in your diet is vital. Fortunately, you can achieve the perfect level of sweetness using natural alternatives rather than refined sugar. Natural sweeteners. You can use 3 pitted dates, which offer fiber along with sweetness. A full ripe banana also adds sweetness and thickness. This may allow you to skip added honey entirely. If you prefer 0 sugar, opt for a small amount of liquid stevia or monk fruit sweetener. Try these fun flavor combos. Once you master the base recipe, try experimenting with different extracts and supplementary ingredients. The chocolate dream. Add unsweetened cacao powder to the mix. It creates a rich, decadent chocolate flavor that pairs perfectly with the avocado's creaminess. The tropical twist. Blend in frozen pineapple or mango chunks. This gives the shake an acidic snap that contrasts wonderfully with the avocado's richness, offering a refreshing, vibrant taste. Morning energy. For a shake that functions as coffee and breakfast, add cooled cold brew coffee concentrate. This shake becomes a robust, energizing morning meal perfect for busy days. Avocado shakes can easily fit into any meal plan. They are nutritious, endlessly customizable, and genuinely satisfying. The avocado shake stands out as a healthy choice. It combines great taste, versatility, and powerful nutritional benefits like healthy fats and fiber. You get sustained energy and crucial vitamins wrapped in a delicious, creamy package. This shake is a fantastic alternative to overly processed breakfast items or desserts. Why wait to try it? Grab a ripe avocado today, follow the simple blending guide, and discover how truly amazing healthy food can taste. You'll quickly see why the avocado shake is a staple for smart eaters everywhere. That's the basic shake and why it's so powerful. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.